guys to another Zenler workshop. So in this Ask Zenler, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to add social media icons to your dynamic footer. Okay, so this is my footer, dynamic footer down here. It's not I haven't created this footer myself. It's one of the dynamic ones that comes with Zenler. So you're able to add social media icons into this site footer. To see the block for this, you can come down to footers here and you can see that there's a dynamic one there. Now these ones are all manual, they've just been set up for you, but if you make changes to any of these manual ones, it will not ripple through onto other pages. The dynamic one, if it's in each page, you make changes to one of the dynamic head blocks, footer blocks, and it will ripple through every page that has that dynamic block on it. That's the power of dynamic blocks. So let's jump back now and I'll just show you how we can add some social media icons. So if I go to the little gear icon here and then I come across to menu, you're going to see that you've got icons down the bottom, and you can see here I've got Facebook and YouTube. So if I come onto this page and I scroll down the bottom, you can see, and I've linked these up to Zenler's group and to the Zenler YouTube channel. So let's go and add some more. So first of all, if you want to edit your Facebook links, you open this up and you paste your link directly into here. Action, go to the link, visible to all. Now this is important because visible to all means that anyone who's logged in or logged out will see this social media icon. Now if you click here, you can only have it visible when logged in users are there, and you can also only have it visible when people are logged out. Okay, so, and all is for both. Now you can pick your social media icon by going to here, and then you can just type something like face in here and you'll get all the Facebook icons. So if I change mine to something like that, then I've got the little icon. I can click update and I'll have that icon, and I'll do the same for YouTube. So I can go and pick my own little icon in here. So I'm going to go to YouTube, and then I should have my little YouTubes come up. There they are. Go into the right link and I click update. So if I want to hit a new one, say I want to do LinkedIn or Instagram, I can click in here and I can search for that icon. So I can go in here and I can type in Instagram, Insta, and then I should get my little Instagram camera come up, and I go visible to all, select a link, action, and then I'll just put my link in there and I click save. By the way, you can also check open in new tab, and that means that if they do click on it, it'll open in a new tab, which can be really good because then you don't lose them from the site. So if I click save there, I'll just make sure these are all opening up in new tabs as well. So they are. Let me just check this one. I always like them to open up in new tabs. That's good. So they're all working. So that's my Instagram one added. So as I said before, we've got these ones here. Now if I refresh the screen once I've saved, you're going to see the Instagram icon come up. Let's click that, and now we have our Instagram icon down there. So once again, let's add some more in here. Let's go to dynamic and let's add a LinkedIn. So I'll go add, we'll look for an icon, linked, and that should give me a LinkedIn icon. There it is there. So I'll select an action. Of course, in here, instead of typing the hash, you would actually put your URL. Good practice is make sure you copy the whole URL in here. So if you're going to Google, for instance, you type that in there. So let's go to Google and copy that link. I always like to copy, just then you don't make any mistakes, and then you can just paste that completely in there and you get the whole URL. So if I want to change this from LinkedIn to a Google URL, I can just type Google in here. It might not be anything. Yes, it is there. So I can go Google and I can just click save, open new window, new tab, and then I can save that, come back to my page, refresh it, and I'll have the G logo here, which will go to my Google. So that is it. That is basically how you set up social media links inside of your dynamic block on your Zenler website.